Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm going to share with you what I consider to be the 10 must-have essential oils for your medicine cabinet. Now, these 10 oils that I'm going to share with you are really 10 oils that every single family would benefit from using. So that's why I included them on this list. But that's not to say that I didn't forget some. So if there is a must-have oil or two that you love, put it down in the comments. I would love to know, what is your must-have oil and why? So maybe I may just very well update this list then. But anyways, these are the 10 must-have essential oils that I feel like every single family should have. And the great news is if you have your Young Living Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit, you have 8 of these 10 oils already. If you still need to pick up your Premium Starter Kit, you can do so via the link that is in this post here. So let's go ahead and get started talking about these 10 oils that, like I say, I feel every single family could benefit from using. The very first oil that honestly I think every person on the planet, and especially every single family should have, is Thieves essential oil. Thieves oil is good for a variety of different things, but the number one thing I love it for is for your immune system support. So if you or the kids are going to be out around a lot of germs, I would absolutely be having Thieves on our bodies at all time. But I would also say it's just a great oil to use every single day. We put it on the bottoms of our feet, honestly. And like I say, it's great to just have that immune system support. If you're going to be exposed to a lot of germs, it also can help with your respiratory system as well. So it is a very, very useful oil for pretty much, like I say, the entire family. The next oil that I think that every single family should have, and I love especially, is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is, gosh, it's good for a myriad of things. It's good for everything from helping with head discomfort. So if you have a spouse or kids or any sort of things that would create head discomfort for you, then you are going to love peppermint oil. I use it all the time. I put it across my forehead, on my temples, under my nose to, like I say, help with alleviate any sort of tension or head discomfort. What you can also do with peppermint is put a drop or two on your thumb and push it to the roof of your mouth, and that can also help with any sort of tension or head issues that you're having. In addition to helping with that, I will say as a side benefit, I always notice when I put it underneath my nose, I feel like it really helps open up my nasal passages. So I feel like it can really help with breathing and just with, like I say, kind of congestion as well. So that's a side benefit. Peppermint, in addition to helping with, like I say, head discomfort, or can also help with digestive system support. So incredibly useful for that as well. Also, something important to note is peppermint is really good for helping with motivation. It's a very kind of motivating and uplifting scent, and it can instill energy. So it's also been known to help with exercise performance. So if that's a concern for you, then peppermint essential oil might be able to help you as well for that. One thing I will say is I should probably make sure that I make it clear, I'm not a doctor, I'm not diagnosing, treating, or prescribing. I'm just sharing with you how I have used these essential oils. They've helped me and my family and people that I know and care about. So that's why I'm sharing it with you. But so peppermint essential oil. So those are just some of the things you can do with it. Also, peppermint oil from Young Living is a vitality oil. What that basically means is that you can ingest it. So you can put it in your coffee, you can put it in your tea. You can add peppermint oil in your cooking and baking as well. You can make peppermint brownies, peppermint ice cream. Over the holidays, I made this really yummy peppermint Muddy Buddies recipe. In fact, you can find the recipe for that on Freebie Finding Mom. So good. I use peppermint essential oil for that. So there's so many things. And peppermint essential oil, I've had friends that have used it and helped them with poison ivy too. So there's so many different things you can do with peppermint. The next oil that I think is an absolute requirement for every family is eucalyptus. Now, eucalyptus oil does not come in the premium starter kit, but I love it for especially respiratory system support. And if you or the kids are having any sort of coughing issues, I like it for helping relieving coughing as well. In addition to helping with respiratory system and with coughing, I really like it for also physical discomfort and inflammation. So eucalyptus, not in the premium starter kit, but you can pick it up separately, and it is an incredibly useful oil to have. Next oil is, gosh, how much time do I have to talk about lavender? Lavender essential oil is seriously, it's known as a Swiss Army knife of oils for a reason. It is good for so many different things. Lavender, we already know it's great for calming and helping you relax and having a good restful night's sleep. But in addition to that, lavender is really, really good for pretty much everything related to your skin. So if the kids fall off a scooter, fall off a bike, and get an owie, lavender essential oil is what I would use for that. I told the story, it's probably been 6 or 7 months now, but I fell off the treadmill actually and badly scraped up my legs. Lavender essential oil is what I used on my legs to help with that. Also lavender, like I say, being great for your skin. I use it in a lot of different homemade beauty recipes. If you want inspiration for homemade beauty recipes, head to Freebie Finding Mom because I have over 40 different DIY recipes that you can look at and reference, and a lot of them use lavender oil in them because it's so good for your skin. In addition to lavender, a lot of those recipes, and by the way, if you want to know where you can find them, under the DIY, Easy DIY Arts and Crafts tab and go to Homemade Beauty Products, you'll see, like I say, over 40 of them. And what I can tell you about lavender essential oil is, quite honestly, oh, hi, thanks, Stephanie, for watching. What I can say about lavender essential oil also is not only is it so good for your skin, for owies and boo-boos, and like I say, for homemade beauty recipes, I just love it, honestly, like I say, for helping, like I say, with relaxation as well. The next oil that I feel like every single family should have, honestly, frankincense essential oil. Now, frankincense is good for a myriad of things. I'll try to stay compliant with this, but if you're going through a major health battle or know someone that is, frankincense essential oil is incredibly useful. Message me if you have any questions on what I'm talking about there. But in addition to that, frankincense is also really good for your skin. In addition to lavender, frankincense, and I also really like tea tree for your skin as well. And I'll get to tea tree in a second. But frankincense is really, really good for helping with creating glowing skin, helping with the tone, the texture of your skin as well. Also helping with elasticity of your skin. So really, really good to be using in a lot of, like I say, homemade beauty recipes as well. Also, it's been known, frankincense can also help if you're having any sort of stressful or negative emotions. It can help with that as well. So a myriad of things you can be doing with your frankincense essential oil. Next oil, like I say, that every single family should have is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil, honestly, I love it, especially because for skin, I use it a lot in a homemade beauty recipes. Like I said, you can check those out on Freebie Finding Mom. Also good for skin irritations as well. Tea tree is also good for dandruff. So if you experience that as an issue, what you can do is put about 2 to 3 different drops in your scalp when you are taking a shower, massage that tea tree in, and that can help with dandruff as well. So really good for helping with skin conditions. Tea tree also is very good for acne too. So if that's something you have to deal with, acne, tea tree essential oil is very, very useful. Tea tree, like I said, and eucalyptus are the 2 not in the premium starter kit, but you can pick those up separately. Oh, hi, thank you, Stephanie. Yep, Stephanie, thank you for reminding me. So there is a sale for the kit going on. If you want to learn more about that, I'm going to be posting it actually on Freebie Finding Mom, so I can give you more details about that. Thanks for posting and reminding me, Stephanie. All right, the next oil that I feel like every single family should have is lemon essential oil. Oh my gosh, lemon. Lemon is good for so many things. Lemon is good for cleansing of your system. So you could put a couple drops in water and consume it that way because it's a vitality oil. Again, when it says vitality from Young Living, that means that you can actually ingest it. You can consume that oil. The next thing, so in addition to cleansing, helping you detoxify your system, also a lemon can help with your immune system support as well. Lemon is also really, I like lemon for skin too. So lemon is really good for your skin. Also, in addition to having cleansing properties, I also like lemon because lemon is a very uplifting scent. So I love diffusing lemon. It can actually instill or enhance energy level as well. So if that's kind of feeling kind of sluggish, lemon is a good kind of natural pick-me-up there as well. And though it's not medicine cabinet related, I have to share with you my favorite hack for lemon essential oil is using it to get sticky stuff out of clothes. If you have kids and they have stickers and love stickers and putting them on everything other than paper, like my son, he's done this so many times where he'll put them all over himself, and then I do the laundry, I wash it, dry it, and then it comes out and I've got these little sticky adhesives stuck on clothes. Lemon essential oil will be your best friend. It has helped me so many times get sticky stuff out of clothing. So just a little side hack for you there. The next oil that I feel like every single family should have is digize. I use this every single night on my stomach. Digize is your digestive system support. So if you need help with digestion, digize is going to be the first one that I would grab if I were you. In addition to helping with digestive system, it's just really good for helping you cleanse and detoxify your digestive tract. And in addition to that, I just like it because I feel like it really helps with bloating feeling too. So if you experience that, I also, like I said, I do share it with my son. So if he complains about his belly not feeling very good, digize is the one that I use for that. So I feel every family would benefit from digize. The next oil that also comes in the premium starter kit that I honestly think every single family should have, panaway. If you have pan that you want to go away, panaway. You had a tough workout, your muscles are feeling kind of stiff and uncomfortable, panaway essential oil is what I would use on that. Maybe you were just out working in the yard and you overdid it a little bit and you're feeling it later that evening or the next day. Panaway essential oil, massage that onto your muscles. That will really help. At least it's helped my situation anyway. So panaway essential oil for muscles, if you've had an over workout. In addition to that, I like putting panaway on the bottom of my feet and just kind of massaging it in the bottom of my feet. It's very relaxing. In addition to that, panaway can also help with skin coloration as well. So many things you can do with panaway, very, very useful. And finally, the last oil that I have to share with you that I feel like who in the world would not need this oil? Stress away essential oil, okay? This is one of my go-to oils for a reason. If you have stress in your life and you want to kind of help restore that equilibrium and kind of reduce that mental rigidity and just basically calm down and focus better and just deal with whatever that stressful situation is, stress away essential oil is so great for that. In addition to helping with just deal with stressful situations, stress away can also help with having a restful night's sleep as well, and just help with relaxation and just, like I say, calming you down. So stress away is an oil I feel like everyone would benefit from having in their medicine cabinet. So those are the 10 essential oils that, like I say, I feel every single family needs in their medicine cabinet. If you have others that you think I should include in the list, put them down in the comments. I would love to hear about it. And like I say, if you still need to pick up your Young Living Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit, you can do so via the link that is in this post. If you have any questions about any of these oils or about Young Living Essential Oils or how to get started, you can always either send me a direct message or leave a comment down below or send me an email. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.